So Microsoft recently released this new AI model. It's called TRELLIS.2. And what this does is that if you give an image to this model, it will convert it into a 3D model. So basically on the right, you can see this is an image that was provided to this model. And this box is the 3D generation that happened from this image. So I can rotate this, I can zoom in, so you can see the face. Even though the face is not visible in the image, it generated a face. And let's look at the hair details. As you can see, there is a lot of detail in the hair, and you can just turn this around and you can see the feathers. So this is like a full 3D model generation just from the image. So they have a video for this, and let's go through the video. So these are the key features of the model. So this model can give you very high quality and resolution. So I think the 512 resolution takes about 3 seconds. The 1024 takes about 17 seconds. And the 1536 resolution takes about 16 seconds to create. And this is a 4 billion parameter model. And photorealistic relighting is also a big feature. I think these 4 images give you a sense of the model that gets created based on the lighting. So I think this is called photorealistic relighting. And these are some examples of this model. So this is the input image and this is the model that it created. So this is another example. So this one looks quite good. And not going over too many tech details, but I think two of the technologies that they have mentioned that is used here is something called a omnivoxel representation, and the other one is the sparse compression VAE. VAE stands for variational autoencoder, and sparse variational autoencoder is used for 3D data. It takes complex 3D shapes, compresses them into very simplified set of features, and then reconstructs or generates new 3D shapes from that tiny amount of information. There's just one more thing which I want to show for this, and this is the official page of Microsoft where the technical details are present. And this is the installation requirements. Like if you want to run this model, you have to run it on a Linux system. You can't run this on a Windows system currently. And the biggest bottleneck is that it requires an NVIDIA GPU with at least 24 GB of memory. So I wanted to try this out, but my laptop only has 4 GB of memory, which is not even close to 24 GB of memory. So you need to have a very powerful machine and probably a very expensive machine to run all of this. So that's about it for this video. I just wanted to share this new model that came out from Microsoft.